Now in this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could create YouTube automated videos using AI and free tools. I'm OJ Marketing, and with that being said, let's dive right into the video. But before we do that guys, if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online with other AI tools. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right here. Check out those videos, watch those videos, and that will help you boost your account and your income online right now. Also guys, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is turned on all to always get alerted whenever I release some cool small strategy that can help you go on to boosting your income online. So diving right ahead into the video of today guys, we're actually going to be creating our videos for our YouTube automation with the help of some free AI tools. So we're going to just simply go on to the first step, which is to actually generate a script for our video. And for that guys, we'll be using our very old good friend right now, which is actually this platform called ChatGPT to do so. So if I actually go on to focusing on a specific topic right now, maybe I want to focus on getting stories about ancient Egypt. I'm just going to ask ChatGPT a very cool prompt. So take a look at this right here. I'm asking ChatGPT to generate or create me a script for a YouTube video which is about ancient Egypt and the rise of their empire. And if I do click on enter right now, ChatGPT is actually going to start creating that for me. You can see it came up with a title which says unveiling the mystery, ancient Egypt and the rise of an empire. You can actually do see more details about this right here. So basically I'm going to show you how you could just simply use this to create a simple YouTube automated video right now. So if you want to learn the full strategy, make sure you stick on and watch this video to the end. So the next thing which you actually want to do is to convert this particular script which ChatGPT has generated into a voiceover right now, which you can actually use for your YouTube automation video. So what I'm going to do right now is to copy this first two paragraphs or the first three paragraphs right now. I'm going to head on to this platform called the ClipChamp.com, and if you head on to the ClipChamp.com right now, this ClipChamp.com website is actually a very quick and easy video editor tool you can utilize right now. You can see everything you need to create show-stopping videos. No expertise required is actually on this platform. All you need to do right now is to go on to sign up for free, and if you do sign up for free, you should be brought to a page similar to this. Click on this create new video right now, and if you do select that right here, as you can see, you will be brought to this page right now. So I'm just going to come onto this section. So guys, select this option right here which says record and create, and you want to select the text to speech right now, where you just want to go on to selecting the language which you want to utilize right here. So I'm just going to leave this on the English language right now. You can see a voice which you want to utilize. You can try out as many voices as you can. I'm going to leave that on that exact same voice. You could change the voice styles right here to neutral, cheerful, or sad, or any option of your choice right now. You could also change the pitch right here. And right now guys, in this section, you want to just simply paste in the script which you want to convert to a voice over. So right now I'm just going to go on to editing that to remove the section in which ChatGPT was actually directing me on what to do right now, such as this section right now. I'm just going to go on to removing this right here. And once that is actually done, all you need to do is to come onto this section, click on preview, and you'll be able to get the preview of this right now via this particular section.
Welcome back to your channel. Today, we embark on an incredible journey through time to unravel the mysteries of one of the greatest civilizations in history.
So guys, you can actually do listen to how cool that actually sounds. The next thing which you want to do is just simply click on save to media right now, and that will actually be created. So guys, once that has successfully been downloaded, the next step which you want to do right now is to go on to creating a video for that voiceover. And some people may actually require you to going onto this platform right now, which is called Pictory AI, maybe Flicky AI, InVideo, and some other AI tools to create a video just with the use of one click. But I'm advising you right now to not do that right there. There are some sections in which you need to actually create yourself or edit yourself for you to come up with a cool and amazing video that is quite engaging and catchy, which is why we're actually going to go on to utilizing a video editor to edit our videos right now. So you want to just simply head on to this particular platform right here called CapCut. because we're going to be using the CapCut application right now. So if I'm right here on CapCut, all I need to do right now is to come right here, click on this plus icon, and I can actually go on to importing details right now from this particular work right now. So I'm just going to go onto the download section, and once I actually download that particular voiceover or upload it right here, the voiceover will actually be added right now. So the next thing which you want to do right now is to actually go on to getting a lot of images which you want to just utilize right now for that particular video. And to get images right now, guys, you could utilize some free tools out there like this platform right now called Pixels right here, which is pixels.com. You could also go on to utilizing another platform right now which is loading up, and that platform is called the pixabay.com. So guys, as you can see right now, this is called pixabay.com. All you need to do is to come onto the platform and type in ancient Egypt. So if you type in ancient Egypt right now, you'll be able to see some search results related to that particular stuff right now. So guys, take a look at this right here. These are actually some of the search results from searching that on this platform right here called Pixabay. All you need to do right now is to actually go on to downloading some of the images right now. You may just simply select any of the image right here, click on this download icon, and you can download that right now for on your device right here for absolutely free. So guys, this is actually amazing right here. So you want to just simply scroll through and select as many images as you can download right now from this particular platform. Maybe I could just simply select this one right here and download some cool and amazing images right now. The images will be downloaded on my device right now. Just simply scroll through, select images and download that, because we're going to utilize them for our videos right now. So guys, once you successfully downloaded as many images as you can right here, all you need to do next of all is to actually go on to editing or creating your video right now. And we're actually going to be utilizing an editing tool like I showed you earlier, and that tool is actually going to be called CapCut right now. So if I actually do head on to this tool called CapCut, all you need to do right here, as you can see, this is our audio right now. I'm just going to go on to importing our images right now. So if I do select the images, as you can see, these are the images. They are actually being imported right now on CapCut right here. So next, you want to just simply go on to adding your voiceover by dragging and dropping right now in this section. As you can see, the voiceover has actually been added right now. All you need to do next of all is to actually come right here and add such images right now, which are actually the short images which you just simply downloaded right now from Pixabay. So as you can see right here, these images have actually been added. You want to just simply go on to shortening the image to not last more than 3 seconds right now per image. You could shorten that right here via this section right now, and you can see the images are not enough right here, which is why you may actually need to go on to getting much more other kinds of images right now. You can actually go on to shortening this. Maybe I want to shorten this. I'm just going to shorten this to this section, and you can see right here that this is where the video is actually going to go on to ending. So what you want to do next is to actually add animations to the images right now. You could come right here and you'll be able to see animations right now which you can utilize for such images. So you want to just simply go on to selecting an animation which you want to utilize right now. As you can see, there are a lot of animations right here. Just simply download and select one of the animations. Today, and you can see how cool that actually is for that section. So I can actually then go on to downloading another animation right now. I'm just going to be downloading them at random right here. As you can see, this is how cool it's actually going to look like. I'm going to select another one right now and download this on my device right here. So next, guys, select a very cool animation for each image right now and utilize that on this particular platform. So next, guys, you want to make sure that each image is actually filling up each and every section of this particular video section right now. So I'm just going to expand that. As you can see, I also need to expand this section right now, and this one is quite okay. So once you're done with this, guys, you can just simply utilize this as it is right here, and just simply come on to exporting your video, and you could go on to getting your video on your device. So right now you've actually gotten your YouTube animated video right now, but you guys, there's still some things which you actually need to do. Go on to creating a thumbnail right now. So you can actually create thumbnails right now for this, but maybe if you actually intend on adding a background music to that particular video, which we were actually editing on this platform called CapCut, you can actually get cool background video audios right now from platforms like the YouTube library right here, where you can get free royalty free audios right now you could utilize right here. There are a lot of royalty free audios you could utilize from this platform. As you can see right now, you could go on to filtering them right here via this section right now. You could filter by title, by genre, mood, artist name, duration, and a lot more right now. Get some free royalty free videos right now, or audios right now, to utilize for that particular video voiceover. And you can also go on to, guys, creating a very cool thumbnail. But before you create a thumbnail, it is quite important that you actually do know what people are actually much more likely to go on to clicking, so that you can get a lot of views for that particular video. And you want to just simply utilize this platform right here called vidIQ. With this particular platform called vidIQ, it actually helps you to go on to boosting your YouTube views right now, because this actually shows you what people are actually much more likely to click on. It shows you much stuff like keywords that can actually help your video goes on to ranking right now. So just simply utilize this platform right here called vidIQ, and this is actually going to help you for your YouTube account right now, for that particular channel, which is the YouTube automated channel that you intend on creating videos for. So you could also go on to creating images right now with the help of this particular platform, which is called canva.com right now, or you could utilize AI tools right now to create some cool images. So if I want to utilize this AI tool, which is called bluewillow.ai, you can actually utilize this to create videos or images for free right now, which you could use for your YouTube animated video thumbnail. So I'm just going to come right here, click on Discord right now to actually go on to joining this particular platform. And if you do that right now, guys, it's actually going to take you to this page where you'll be asked to join the beta right now. So you want to just simply accept the invite. If you do accept the invite, it's actually going to load up and take you to their Discord server. So right now I'm on the Discord Blue Willow server right now. I'm just going to going onto the rookie room, and if I do go onto the rookie section right now, you just need to go on to giving this particular AI a simple prompt right now. So this is the prompt right here, guys. As you can see right here, it says ancient Egypt right now. It also says epic rise of an empire AR 3:2. And once you do this right here, maybe I'm coming and think I made a mistake right here, you just need to go on to highlighting this. First of all, I'm going to cut this, click on this plus icon. I'm just going to type in /imagine prompt. So once I just select this imagine right here prompt, I'm going to paste in this right now and click on enter. So once I do that right here, my request has actually been sent right now. And guys, once you successfully subscribe, you can actually go on to getting some cool images with this platform. So basically, guys, you can also go on to creating some images right here with the help of this platform called canva.com. You want to just simply come right here and type in YouTube thumbnail. So if you just select the YouTube thumbnail from that particular section, you'll be able to see a lot of cool and amazing thumbnail designs right now. Once this successfully loads up, that you can just simply go on to editing any of the design and utilizing that to go on to creating a very cool and amazing thumbnail for your YouTube channel right now, or for that particular video, before heading onto your channel to upload that video right now. So this is an amazing strategy, which if you do follow up appropriately and add in the work right now, you can create some cool and amazing YouTube automated video. So guys, don't leave the entire work for the AI. You want to make sure that you actually take out much of your time to do the editing yourself, and that is actually going to help you get better engagement right now for that particular video. So utilize this strategy and make money. If the video added some value to you, do smash the like button to the channel on the video. Also subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell, as you can see right here, is on the all section, so you do get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you boost your income online. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.